The markets are reopened this Wednesday, the 4th of May. Hello and welcome everyone to the show. It's the start of what looks like a new week in a number of jurisdictions across frontier Africa. Let's see how we get started here on the show. I am boasting number 5. On a weekly basis, the Nigerian bourse, the NGX finished very strongly, 2.40%. That's the final trading week in April. And that brought Nigeria's stock market main index to 16.2%. One of the best performing on the continent since 2022 started. The BRVM finished negative on Tuesday, which is the first day after the end of the holiday on Monday. Then you've got the GSC nosedive very sharply. Yesterday, Tuesday, the largest exchange on the African continent suffered about 1.3% decline on the back of the industrials, the financials, as well as the resources falling very sharply. A number of markets within North Africa are still closed for the Eid-El Fitri celebration. So keep that in mind. Egypt says, central bank says there will be a 5-day holiday. Let's see how the markets are reopening today. Egypt could have just about a day or two left before the end of the week and another weekend rolling. So keep that in mind. The Nairobi bourse fell by 0.0% on Thursday, which was his last trading day. So let's get on with the rest of what is making the headlines. The National Social Security Fund, the NSSF in Kenya, says it's buying a very equity stake in KCB Group. KCB Group in Kenya is one of the country's largest banking group in the mold of equity group. That is expected to expand its portfolio of investment. That is it. 11.7 million is what has been bought of the shares of KCB Group. The Treasury is looking to float about 60 billion shillings, I beg your pardon, Kenyan shillings in Treasury bonds for the new month, which effectively starts today. And British gold miner Caracal is listed on the Nairobi bourse. It's going to be on the small and medium enterprises window or segment of the NSE. In the Bank of Uganda, which is the central bank, has blacklisted crypto trading. Don't touch it. That is what the central bank has just announced. And Zanzibar is forecasting to grow 6.8% in 2022 on the back of funding from the International Monetary Fund. Okay, let's come to West Africa. Quite a very busy day. OPEC Plus meeting is going to be tomorrow. 452,000 barrels per day is on the table from OPEC. That will be the consideration to pull into the markets in the month of June. Today is the US FOMC, the final day, and the press briefing from Jerome Powell, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. We'll hear the interest rate decision by the US Fed. What that will be, 0.5 percentage point is what everyone is looking at. The European Union is looking at African gas to cut reliance on Russia. An agreement is expected to be reached pretty soon, led by Germany. Take everybody along, and of course try to find a way to resolve the Europe's dependence on Russian gas. Nigeria has bought Canadian potash to replace Russian supply. The chief of the NSIA, that's Uchida Oji, says the supply from Canada will be arriving next month. That's in June. And oil stays above $100 a barrel as higher demand offset China virus lockdowns and not too strong economic data for the first quarter, which was released Monday, Tuesday from Beijing. We have Ghana's energy sector levy. Will now be collateralized until 2035, while the Societe Generale, which is listed on the BRVM in Ivory Coast, said it posted 18.6 billion CFA from profit in the first quarter, January to March 2022. Okay, let's delve into Southern Africa, where the rand jumped strongly yesterday against the dollar, against the euro, and against the British pound, well above 15. Ahead of the Fed and the Bank of England's rate decisions this week. And Honda says it's transforming to an electric-only company. The auto manufacturer, which also produces motorbikes and other type of equipment, says it's goodbye to gasoline-powered products. In Namibia, mining sector profit fell 16.8% to about 28 billion Namibian dollars for the full year 2021, while the Banco Banco Franco of Angola, the BFA, the economic unit, released a new data that says Angola's growth will be up to 5.7% in the current fiscal year 2022. And I'm summing it up for you from North Africa. That's where it all started. Egypt and the rest of North African economies are marked the Eid holiday as food becomes more costly, no thanks to the Russian-Ukraine military operations going on there, brought about by Russia. Then you've got Canal, that is Suez Canal of Egypt, sees its highest monthly revenue last month, 13.6% uptick. That's good business, despite the disruptions to the global supply chain. And Morocco has raised public sector minimum wage by 16% on a monthly basis. Now, that's good news for the public servants in Morocco. And credit to Mahawk, chairman has resigned from the board. That's from the financial services space. In Tunisia, Les Mentis says about 30% decline came in its turnover in the first quarter of this year. That's Tunisia's bringing up to the wrap of today's Frontier Opening Bell. Start your new week is cut by 2 days already. So remember to go online and watch this show again. Get your trading day on our YouTube at Frontier Africa Reports, online at frontierafricareports.com, and of course on all social media platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, as well as Twitter. Bye for now. I'll see you next time.